Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to synthesize water by burning hydrogen soap bubbles. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is aluminum foil, 12 molar hydrochloric acid, a 250 milliliter flask, a separation funnel. I'm using a dropper. I'm using a dish for my soap bubbles. I'm using Dawn dish detergent and a lighter. The first step is to make your bubble solution. I added 100 milliliters of distilled water and some amount of Dawn dish detergent. And I'm going to stir my solution so that all of my dish detergent has dissolved. The next step is to make some small balls out of aluminum foil and add that to my 250 milliliter flask. Now, while the valve is closed on my separation funnel, I'm going to add hydrochloric acid, and pretty quickly you'll see hydrogen gas bubbles form. And by igniting them, you synthesize water as hydrogen combines with oxygen in the air. And over here you can see the chemical reaction between the hydrochloric acid and the aluminum foil that's releasing the hydrogen gas. A few gas bubbles left. Oh. Okay, so let's take a look at the equation for the first part of this reaction, the aluminum foil in the hydrochloric acid. So you have the reactants Al, that's aluminum foil, aluminum, and hydrochloric acid, that's HCl. So here the aluminum is being oxidized, is losing electrons, and the hydrogen and hydrochloric acid is being reduced as it gains electrons, creating the products aluminum chloride, AlCl3, and hydrogen gas, H2. And the second part of this experiment is a synthesis reaction where we combine hydrogen gas, H2, with oxygen, O2, which creates H2O, water, and a lot of heat energy. 286,000 joules of heat energy in this awesome experiment. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.